In order to find the value of the limit, we can begin by directly substituting 0 into the function for x and seeing what results. So we'll end up with the square root of 9 minus 0 minus 3 in the numerator and 3 times 0 in the denominator, which will give us the square root of 9 minus 3 over 0, or 3 minus 3 over 0, or 0 over 0, which is an indeterminate form. This means we don't have an answer yet for our limit, but we know that we can apply L'Hopital's rule. And L'Hopital's rule tells us that there will be an equivalent limit that we can find by taking the limit as x approaches 0, and then taking the derivative of the numerator of our fraction and placing it over the derivative of the denominator of our fraction. This is going to result in a new limit, the limit as x approaches 0, and our numerator is going to be negative 1 over 2 times the square root of 9 minus x minus 0, and that will all be over 3. We can simplify this down a little, combine it into one fraction, and we'll end up with negative 1 over 6 times the square root of 9 minus x. Now if we'd apply direct substitution and plug 0 in for x, we'll end up with negative 1 over 6 times the square root of 9 minus 0. This will give us negative 1 over 6 times the square root of 9, or negative 1 over 6 times 3, which if we simplify will give us our final answer, that our limit is equal to negative 1 over 18.